Instant coffee is a beloved beverage enjoyed by millions around the world. From bustling cities to quiet countryside, this quick and easy drink has found its way into the hearts of many. Its popularity stems from its convenience, affordability, and ease of preparation. With just a few simple steps, anyone can make a delicious cup of coffee without the need for expensive equipment or barista skills. With just a spoonful of powder and hot water, a flavorful cup of coffee is ready in seconds. This simplicity is what makes instant coffee a staple in many households. This modern marvel has revolutionized the way we consume coffee, making it accessible to people of all lifestyles. From students needing a quick caffeine boost to busy professionals, instant coffee fits seamlessly into diverse routines. Whether at home, in the office, or on the go, instant coffee provides a quick and satisfying caffeine fix. Its portability and ease of use make it a favorite among travelers and commuters. Its versatility extends beyond a simple cup, serving as a base for various coffee-flavored drinks and desserts. From creamy lattes to decadent cakes, instant coffee adds a rich flavor to many culinary creations. The instant coffee industry has witnessed continuous innovation, with improved flavor profiles and diverse options catering to a wide range of preferences. Today, there are countless brands and varieties, each offering a unique taste experience. The journey of instant coffee begins with the coffee plant, typically grown in tropical regions around the world. These plants thrive in warm climates and well-drained soil. Coffee beans are actually the seeds of the coffee fruit, known as coffee cherries. Harvesting coffee cherries is a labor-intensive process, often done by hand. Ripe cherries are selectively picked, ensuring only the best beans are used for instant coffee production. Once harvested, the cherries undergo processing to remove the outer layers and extract the precious coffee beans. After harvesting, coffee beans are transformed into the instant coffee we know and love through a multi-step process. This journey from farm to cup involves several intricate steps that ensure the final product is both convenient and flavorful. First, the beans are roasted to develop their characteristic flavor and aroma. Roasting is a critical step, as it brings out the rich, complex flavors that coffee enthusiasts cherish. Roasting time and temperature vary depending on the desired flavor profile. Light roasts are more acidic and retain more of the bean's original flavors, while dark roasts are bolder and more robust. Next, the roasted beans are ground into fine particles. The grinding process is essential for ensuring that the coffee can be easily brewed and that the flavors are properly extracted. The fineness of the grind affects the extraction rate and the final flavor of the instant coffee. A finer grind allows for a quicker extraction, which is crucial for the instant coffee-making process. The ground coffee is then brewed in large industrial brewers to extract the coffee solubles. This step ensures that all the essential flavors and aromas are captured in the liquid coffee. To transform the brewed coffee into instant coffee powder, two main methods are employed: freeze-drying and spray drying. Each method has its own advantages and results in different qualities of instant coffee. Freeze-drying involves freezing the brewed coffee and then removing the ice crystals under vacuum, resulting in a high-quality, flavorful instant coffee. This method preserves the coffee's natural flavors and aromas exceptionally well. Spray drying, on the other hand, involves spraying the brewed coffee into a hot chamber, evaporating the water and leaving behind fine coffee powder. This method is faster and more cost-effective, making it popular for mass production. Section 4. Ready for the shelf. Once the instant coffee powder is produced, it is packaged for distribution. Packaging plays a crucial role in preserving the freshness, aroma, and flavor of the instant coffee. Airtight containers, often made of glass or metal, are commonly used to protect the coffee from moisture, light, and oxygen. Instant coffee is then distributed to retailers worldwide, making its way to supermarket shelves, convenience stores, and online platforms. Efficient logistics and supply chains ensure that instant coffee is readily available to consumers, satisfying their coffee cravings anytime, anywhere. Section 5. A modern necessity. Instant coffee has become a staple in many households and offices, revolutionizing the way we consume coffee on a daily basis. Offering a convenient and affordable way to enjoy a cup of coffee, it has become synonymous with quick and easy coffee breaks. Its ease of preparation, long shelf life, and consistent flavor make it a popular choice for people with busy schedules. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, instant coffee provides a reliable caffeine fix. Furthermore, instant coffee has played a significant role in popularizing coffee culture globally. Its simplicity has made coffee accessible to a wider audience. Its accessibility has introduced countless individuals to the world of coffee, allowing them to experience the joy of a good cup of coffee without the need for expensive equipment or extensive knowledge. Paving the way for exploration of specialty coffee and more elaborate brewing methods, instant coffee serves as a gateway to the broader coffee experience. Whether enjoyed as a quick pick-me-up or as a base for creative coffee creations, instant coffee offers versatility that caters to diverse tastes and preferences. Instant coffee continues to hold a special place in the hearts and mugs of coffee lovers worldwide, bridging cultures and bringing people together over a shared love for this beloved beverage.